Sharks are some of the oldest creatures on Earth. They have existed for more than 400 million years, which means they lived long before dinosaurs appeared. Over millions of years, they survived mass extinctions and adapted perfectly to life in the oceans. Scientists often call them living fossils because some modern sharks are surprisingly similar to ancient species. One of the most interesting things about sharks is that they do not have bones. Their skeletons are made from cartilage, the same flexible material found in human noses and ears. Because of this, sharks are lighter and more flexible than many other fish, which helps them move quickly and smoothly through the water. Some sharks can actually glow in the dark. Certain deep-sea species use bioluminescence to produce light from their bodies. Scientists believe they use this ability for camouflage, communication, and attracting prey in the dark depths of the ocean where sunlight cannot reach. Sharks are constantly growing new teeth throughout their lives. When a tooth falls out, another one immediately moves forward to replace it. Some sharks can lose thousands of teeth during their lifetime. In some species, several rows of teeth are waiting behind the front row like a conveyor belt. Even though movies often make sharks seem terrifying, most species are harmless to humans. Out of more than 500 shark species, only a small number have ever been involved in attacks on people. In fact, sharks are usually curious rather than aggressive. Humans kill millions of sharks every year through fishing, making people a much greater threat to sharks than the other way around. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. It can grow over 12 meters long and weigh more than 20 tons, yet it mainly eats plankton and tiny sea creatures. Despite its enormous size, it is known for being calm and gentle around divers. Sharks have an incredible sense of smell. Some species can detect tiny amounts of blood in huge amounts of water. They also have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that allow them to sense electrical signals produced by other animals. This helps them hunt even in dark or muddy water. Their skin feels rough like sandpaper because it is covered with tiny tooth-like scales called dermal denticles. These scales reduce drag in the water and help sharks swim faster and more quietly. Engineers have even studied shark skin to design better swimsuits and faster boats. Not all sharks are giant predators. Some are extremely small. The dwarf lantern shark, for example, is small enough to fit in a human hand. On the other hand, the great white shark can grow over 6 meters long and is one of the ocean's most famous predators. Many sharks need to keep swimming in order to breathe properly. Moving forward pushes water through their gills, allowing them to absorb oxygen. However, not all sharks must swim constantly. Some species can rest on the ocean floor and still breathe normally. Sharks can be found in almost every ocean on Earth, from warm tropical waters to icy polar seas. Some species even travel thousands of kilometers during migration. Others can survive in rivers and freshwater lakes for short periods of time. Scientists still discover new shark species today, especially in the deep ocean where much of the underwater world remains unexplored. Every discovery helps researchers understand more about marine ecosystems and how life adapts to extreme conditions. Sharks play a very important role in keeping ocean ecosystems healthy. As top predators, they help control populations of other sea animals and maintain balance in marine life. Without sharks, entire ecosystems could become unstable. Another surprising fact is that sharks have excellent hearing. They can detect low-frequency sounds from far away, including movements made by injured fish. Combined with their strong sense of smell and ability to detect electricity, sharks are incredibly efficient hunters. Some sharks are also very fast swimmers. The short-fin mako shark is considered one of the fastest sharks in the world and can swim at speeds of around 70 kilometers per hour. Even though sharks have survived for hundreds of millions of years, many species are now endangered because of overfishing, pollution, climate change, and shark finning. Millions of sharks are killed every year, often just for their fins. Conservation groups around the world are working to protect them because healthy shark populations are essential for healthy oceans. The more we learn about sharks, the more we realize they are not mindless monsters, but fascinating, intelligent, and highly adapted animals that deserve respect and protection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about sharks, Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and supports future videos like this one. Also, comment below which sea creature or animal you want to see in the next video. Maybe dolphins, crocodiles, whales, octopuses, or even the most dangerous animals in the world. See you in the next video.